In this video, I am going to show you how we can protect our Android smartphone with Sophos Intercept X for mobile. So I am using an emulator known as BlueStacks, and here Android is available for emulation purpose. You can try the same steps on your smartphone. So the first step you need to make is go to the Play Store and search for Sophos. So here is the antivirus Sophos Intercept X for mobile. Install this application. So once this install, open this application, and on the first screen you are greeted with "Welcome to Intercept X," and in this section, help make this app better by sending usage statistics and crash report. Disable it and click on accept and continue. Also, it required storage permissions to scan your USB storage or SD card. If any malware is there, it can scan automatically. Click on allow and then click allow. So it will also having access uh, accessibility services, and you have to permit the usage access so it can track all the applications. Click on back twice, and here you will see your devices. If have any issues, it can show you here. So click on device security, and in the emulator it is emulating on OnePlus A5000. Yours can be different, and Android version is 7.1.1. So if here anything is in red or in yellow, you have to uh, sort it out and turn it into green. Like when I was emulating yesterday, it was showing that unknown app sources are allowed. So it should be disabled because if you install via APK from unknown sources, then it could be potential threat to your device. So it should be disabled. And also one thing more, notifications. Notification on lock screen. It should be also be disabled for privacy purposes. Then if there is screen lock, if there is no screen lock, you can use the any screen lock like password, swipe, pattern, pin. So I am hearing only emulating. That's why I am not doing this. And Android version is up to date. USB debugging, if it is on, then you can disable it also if you know how to disable. And device encryption, you can encrypt your device if it is available. So moving into the next section is network security, very important feature. Here web filtering you need to turn on first. So click here, I understand, and click on turn on, and click on Sophos accessibility and turn it on. Now here you will see your protected browser is Chrome, and Here are the default categories of every website that is on the internet. So you can switch it to block if you really want to protect yourself. So turn everything to block. It will not only it will filter also adult website. So I'm using it from 2019 onwards, and I have visited many colleges also, and I have recovered their phone from viruses and malware. And this is the most restrictive setting. If you do it, you will obviously protect you and your loved one. And here you can also turn on link checker. Uh, and if you open any link through Chrome, it will first be scanned by the Sophos Intercept X. Then only it will be allowed if it has no issues. And in the app security, if it has scanning done, you can check here last scan and last engine update. And now you have to, if you bypass this ignore check, then it will turn to green. And now it's time to configure the settings. So turn on the schedule scan. It will automatically do the scanning while your phone is in charging mode. And click on scan system apps. Scan storage is on. Potentially unwanted application is already on. You can also turn on app reputation. What is app reputation is basically some application have few user on the Play Store, so it can detect if any of the application has low user or it has no reputation, so it will alert you while scanning, and it is monitoring your storage and all the connectivity devices you have. So update mode, you can turn it on through Wi-Fi or any other mode, or you can click on always. So it will use your mobile data as well. So track data to help improve usability is disabled by me from the uh, main screen when we first open this app. So now you can scan your device. So if it found anything, any kind of virus, it will show you here, and it will also turn this green will turn into red. So I'm using an emulator, and I'm not. This is a fresh installation. There is no kind of virus, but yours can be infected. So make sure you scan your devices after configuring all the settings. So I want to show you here how web filtering works. Basically, we have a website known as exploit database. So here I use this for my vulnerable apps when I test my system for hacking. And you can also use this website if anyone say you install this or that version of any software. You can check the vulnerabilities before installing this application or that specific version. And if we browse this application, we browse this application while your Sophos Intercept X has the web filtering on, it will automatically block this kind of website. Let me show you how. Now again go to Chrome. exploit-db. So it has shut down this website, and it says it contains malicious code. So in this way, this software web filtering works. It will automatically block unknown URLs or malware infected website or any of the category you have blocked. So this is the demo of this Intercept X version. Make sure to install and install it on other devices also. Thanks for watching.